this is a good one, Liam. He's right making. Go on, don't worry about it. This is a big one. Go on, pump it. Not pump it, but he loves it. His second one of the day. That's it. We're close to the edge. No, closer. That's it. That's a good one, that, Liam. Keep reeling. Don't let it go slack. Yeah. Oh, it's only just up, look.
I feel like it's about to fall off.
Oh, that's a big one, is that? Oh. That's it, get it up then, get your rod up. Look at the size of that thing. Oh, that's a 20. Oh, that's a big fish. Wow, that's a 20 plus. Look at the deep, look how deep that is. That's a big fish. That's definitely a 20. Right, we'll let you know, guys. How you feeling, Liam?
Absolutely amazing.
Look at him, look, still got bed.